Okay.
I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel. So, stick a screwdriver in under here, pry this out, and there's one on the other side, right here. And then you use your T30 bit. Stick it right in there. Make sure it comes all the way out. Same thing on the other side. Sometimes these bolts have to come out a little further to release the airbag. Then the airbag just falls outwards. And there's this connector here. You have to undo. It's kind of tight. Take your 19mm straight to the center nut. Zap it right off. And then you have to pull the steering wheel off. Shaking it around. So I have to remember to disconnect everything.